Good morning, Chào buổi sáng. I hope everybody is doing well. And yes, I will be checking this trap behind me in just 1 second. Hold on, you guys, hold on. Let me move this. This is hard, hold on. So this question is more in regards to my Vietnamese audience. Yeah, xin chào. Soup sick. Soup sick. Mate. Yeah. Hôm nay em muốn cá nữa. Ok. Đợi một chút, có thể 20 phút. Yeah, hôm nay nhiều cá. Nhiều lắm. Soup sick. Yeah, soup sickly. Sorry, some interruptions. But why is it that some people in Vietnam cut and line? You know, frankly, it's not the vast majority of people. It's a very small percentage, and I don't know anybody in Vietnam who likes when somebody cuts in line. And I'm bringing this up partially because just last week I had to go get vaccinated, and during the whole vaccination process, a handful of people were cutting in line. You know, I've been in lockdown for quite a while, and I haven't had to wait in any lines, but it just kind of got me thinking, because I'm trying to comprehend the mindset of some people who do cut in line, and it's a little bit challenging for me. And if you guys are wondering, yes, I got the Chinese vaccine. Would I prefer something else? Yes, and the only reason for that is because I don't think that, I know the Chinese vaccine is not approved in the United States. But that is completely off topic. But back to what we were saying. Soup sick. You know, I've been in Vietnam for quite some time now, and I remember the first time it really made an impact. I was living in Nha Trang, and I was at a market. This is just a regular big inside market, not an outside market. And I'm standing in line, and then some woman comes and kind of pushes me out of the way so she can get in front of me. And at this time, I don't really speak any Vietnamese, so I had to ask my friend afterwards, like, what do I say? Like, don't touch me, or don't do that. And they taught me at the time was like, đừng động vào tôi, không có giáo dục hả? And I know for my Vietnamese audience, that's, it probably sounds funny because I think it's really formal, but that's all I learned at the time. You know, if I go to the airport, somebody will be cutting in line. I go to the cinema, somebody will be cutting in line. Pretty much wherever there is a long line, there's not always, but oftentimes there's at least somebody doing this. So generally speaking, the people who do this are a bit older than I am. So I'm 33 years old. If someone's around my age, I'll most likely speak up. You know, say if it's like a really, really old woman and like maybe she might die tomorrow, I might not say anything because I can wait a few extra minutes in line. So it just kind of depends on the circumstances and my mood. But I didn't know line up in Tiếng Việt, which is sắp hàng, I believe, sắp hàng. So now I can make sentences with line up, but I didn't know that before. Anyhow, I'm getting off topic, which I'm really great at. You know, my thought process, it's like, okay, so it's the older generation. I don't know if this has something to do with during, say, like the American-Vietnam War, where maybe supplies were scarce, and when the government was supplying supplies, it's kind of like a first come, first served basis, and that mentality has carried on. But I really don't know, and I can't comprehend it. Don't get me wrong, many countries people will cut in line, so I'm not trying to pinpoint Vietnam here, and again, I need to be clear, it's a very, very, very small percentage of people. But I don't know. I don't know. Like, oh, soup sick, please. Oh, there's soup sick. Soup sick. Today, I hate you. You guys, this morning I've been up since 2 o'clock. I woke up for a little bit, turned the light on, soup sick jumps out of bed, jams her head straight into the wall trying to catch a lizard. So I'm like, I can't be dealing with this right now. So I let her outside, and I caught like a tiny little mouse. And then it's like 2:30 in the morning, and Soup Sick's going berserk, which wakes up my neighbors. And then I had to put the mouse somewhere, and Soup Sick barking more, so I put her in the house, and it's just been this entire fiasco. And I'm quite sleepy right now, so please forgive me because my train of thought's all over the place. But Soup Sick is Soup Sick. So for my Vietnamese audience, if you guys have some sort of like explanation or reason why, again, some people do this, I don't know why, and I don't understand. So I'm sure some of you guys will have a better idea than I will, because I'm not Vietnamese. And, you know, frankly, me living in Vietnam, it's going to be a lifelong journey of just learning. I am a lifelong student, you could say, because there will always be something I don't completely understand. And thankfully, with my YouTube channel, you guys can give me a bunch of ideas and input, and I really, really appreciate that. So, yeah, I'm just, I don't know why. But anyways, you guys, let's check the trap, because I think you would rather see the trap and what I caught rather than me just kind of like rambling on about this stuff. But thank you guys, I really appreciate it if you do have some input from me. So, okay, let's check it. All right. Let me untie this. Oh, today I hate Soupsic, you guys. And you can't really see her. Soupsic's somewhere in the wood pile. There she is. She's right there. All right, let's take a look what we caught. And this look bin. I don't know how this look bin got in here, you guys. But look at, you probably can't see it because it's the lighting. It's, oh, there's so much right now. I was getting a bunch earlier for composting. But, all right, I gotta, yeah, that's a lot of movement. Yeah, that's a decent amount of stuff. Ugh. At least a few kilos. If some of the fish get out, you guys, it's not that big of a deal. This snake I'm gonna let go. I can't really identify it yet. And no, 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 no. You're, no. Calm down, buddy. It's okay. No. No. All right, I'm gonna lose a Gallo King, but I don't want to lose the eel. Hold on, you guys. Hold on. I'm gonna move this. This is hard. Hold on. Oh, eel. No, you're slipping. You're slipping. Okay. No, and there's a hole in my bag. I got the wrong one. Crap. I have two of these and I got the one with the hole in the bottom. This is not good. Okay. I'm taking the Gallo King out, you guys. For those that aren't familiar, I think what is the armor-plated catfish. These are invasive to Vietnam and they're not good for the environment. So I'm gonna move them first. There's the snake. Is that a baby bow quartz? I'm not from, we've caught this snake before. I don't remember the name. I'll have to ask somebody, but it's okay. So, the snake, you guys, here's the snake. This guy is gonna go free. So buddy, be careful. Don't get stuck in the trap next time. All right, so give me a second, you guys. I'm throwing like the baby fish, the tiny fish back. This was the hole that I mentioned right there. Did I just step in dog poo? I hope not. Em ơi, em muốn cá nữa. Đang nhiều. Có con lươn to hay là một cà rô phi to, nhiều cá sạc.
Kênh TikTok của anh tên gì? Anh chơi TikTok không?
Hả?
Anh chơi TikTok không?
TikTok?
Hả?
Anh có TikTok?
TikTok tên gì?
TikTok Vietnam meets tiếng Anh M-E-E-T, and then tên gì Dustin. D-U-S-T-N.
Dustin.
Yeah, đúng. And
Anh tên là Dustin hả?
yeah, tên gì Dustin, đúng. Em ơi, em muốn cá lộ kiến.
Ui, con đơn to nhỉ?
Rồi, một chút xíu.
Lấy được rồi anh ạ.
Cause em ơi,
Được rồi.
cá lộ kiến nhiều lắm. Em muốn.
Em không biết ăn cá lồng kiếm.
Cá lộ. Có thể tiếng Anh của anh không được. Cá lộ kiến. Cá lộ kiến.
Cá này ăn kiểu gì anh?
Nướng.
Nướng à?
Dạ.
Ồ, con đơn to thế.
Em biết không? Em biết cá này nấu ăn như thế nào?
Em nhớ ở chỗ kia là chỉ cần tách ra xong rồi nướng.
Ui,
lên
con
thôi.
này nó ngóc to.
Dạ nướng.
Nướng lên.
Anh không biết nói sao lửa. Just, dạ đúng, yeah, fire. Nướng. Ngon mà.
Cảm ơn anh nhá.
So, anh muốn có thể 1 kg đến 2 kg.
Vậy thôi được rồi anh ơi.
Anh muốn không?
Bọn em mấy con thôi, bọn em ăn thử đã.
Ok.
Em không biết ăn thử nướng mấy con, cho mấy con.
Yeah, cause oops. Anh cho em một cà lộc ấy.
Có 3-4 con này anh ạ.
Ok. Nhiều.
Thôi anh ơi.
Được. Đúng.
Này lại tắt nào à?
Yeah, ok. Yeah, tạm biệt. Yeah, tạm biệt. Yeah, không có gì, không sao đâu. And Supsik. Oh, yeah, I don't know where Supsik is. Supsik! There you go. See? Good girl, stay with me. But today, I hate you so much, you're so annoying. I had to finish setting that up. For you guys, if you're wondering, I think these people are like COVID volunteers. I don't know exactly. But anyways, sometimes you guys ask me, do I ever cut my feet? Yeah, I get cut all the time. But I feel my toe and something is wrong with my toe. So I'm being a little bit careful stepping out because we are going to see together what is wrong with my toe. I hope it's not cut that bad. Oh, I can see it. This could be bad. We'll find out in a second. Okay. Oh, that's a good cut. I can't see it so well, you guys. You can see it better than me. Oh, man. How's it look? Actually, just kidding. Do you guys see all that blood? I need to sit. Oh. Wow, that's a bad cut. I think YouTube might demonetize my video for this, but that's okay. Oh man. Now I just put my shoe on, you guys, that's so much blood. Oh well, I gotta clean it out. Thankfully, you know, used to do medical work, came to Vietnam as a medical volunteer, so I know some basic stuff. But joy, oh my God, look at that. Wow, nhiều lắm. Oh. Okay, video is officially done. My foot will be fine. Hopefully we don't have to amputate it. I get another hole in my leg like that, infection. But have a great day, you guys. Peace. All right, we got mud, blood, and Supsik.